Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm doing some Sunday laundry. Yes, on a Sunday. Happy Sunday to you. Alright, so soon as we're done with laundry, so we're going into the kitchen. Y'all know I don't cook on Sundays. Hello.
Yeah, other party I look so. Yeah, other party I look so. All my girl them stand up and I look so. Where you do to me? Selector, don't say when I see the girl them bubble man. You feel up to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the girl star bus down. So the girl them time, play song, the girl white match. Big selector up here, you know rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a should be hey. When the girl them a dip it and a drop it, you a funny man. If you not happy, all I'm in it. Girl a dash out, so me glad me come out. When you feel it, what you talking about? Road me live, me no want see no host. Me a rave and a wait, and it's on to go out. Bubble, gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble dem a bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble. Alright then, y'all live on head top and spin like it. Me have to ask if some of them right it. Watch the one that with the wire waistline. Watch your body, yo, that look how that it. Cock up, y'all, show your talent and skill. Red label wine, you a turn on the drill. Like a bus in my head like grenade. But all when me talking, delay me on them. Y'all a dash out, so me glad me come out. When you feel it, what you talking about? Road me lit, me no want see no host. Me a rave and a wait, and the sun pick up out. Gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble dem a bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble gala bubble, bubble dem a bubble. Selector, bounce now when I see the girl them bubble. Feel up to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the girl star bus down. Over the girl them time, play song, the girl white match. Big selector up here, you know rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a should be hey. When the girl them a dip it and a drop it, you a funny man. If you not happy, all I'm in it. Girl a dash out, so me glad me come out. When you feel it, what you talking about? Road me lit, me no want see no host. Me a rave and a wait, and it's on.
So as I was showing you guys earlier, I found $41 in my clothes. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna show you some breakfast. Alright, yam. Alright, there it is. I can salvage with the yellow yams. Happy Sunday to you guys. Alright, today's Sunday menu. Chicken. Guess it's out by now. Yeah, the chicken's out. So just almost check it. The chicken's out here. So I can say it's out. The chicken's out. That mommy it ready for clean up and then cut up and season up. The chicken I call you, ma'am. It's Jane. The chicken I call you.
Well, maybe I'm just so I'll go to the house. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. Hey man, look. I really need to find that girl that saved me that night. Do you understand? Yes, I need to. Okay, there is this girl that's staying with Vivian. She looks so familiar and she sounds so familiar. What? No, I might scare her. Yes, I know. I cannot put you up. I might scare her. But one thing I know for a fact is that wherever that girl is, she's with my goal like this. Yes. Man, I really need you to find exactly. I think that's why I came to you. I need you to find that girl and you. I need your help to find her. Okay, no problem. I'm coming. Okay. Benita. I thought you went for shopping. Alright, what does that even mean? So she comes out here. When she love. You love me. Transaction.
Natural coconut juice. That's all of the coconut? Natural. Alright, season over here, so scallion, thyme, onion. Pour it on the fire. So she will till the water boil up so she can add it to the curry. Guys, you know so the hot water keep the pot going, right? So this will go under the sun there, yeah? You know the national rice pot over here, so I keep up. So guys, may I eat some more breakfast?
Of course, you're right. You know what? I'm sorry for assuming it was okay for me to stop by the way I did. Nicole, I apologize for bothering you. Next time I'll clear a visit for you. There will be no next time, okay? Let's go. You're never going to see you later. I love you. Let's go. I should stand in for me better than swimming for good night, okay?
Atwater. British shell rice and peas. Coconut curry goats with Irish potato, string beans. The heater, forget the glass. And the rooster, yeah. Go for your plate, rooster. Go for your plate. Touch it, man. Alright, this is it. Alright, I'm actually some Pepsi. You said you drink Pepsi, make it extra. Comment if you know the answer. Alright, so in this one, I'm gonna add some vodka to it. Last time. A little bit left.
Flint's gonna have shit if you go on and join us. Number one, things go my way. This is not good for us. Good.
Usually I don't trace. Now look at it, guys. Pepsi look like it's out too much. Is this too much Pepsi?
Yeah, I understand.
The drink have a balance, so it's some see.
Yep. Amazing.
Let me taste it.
Where is he? He didn't say. He wants to see me tomorrow morning. Alone.
Too much Pepsi, too much.
What's that supposed to mean?
Bottoms up.
So what do you want me to do? Go by myself and take her back up to you?
Every drop matters.
So long. Tell us we'll do more than necessary. Alright. How did they find out what to say?
Alright.
If I knew that, we wouldn't be having this conversation. Just get in there about yourself.
Alright, add a vodka. Alright, guys. Cheers.
Well, you woke up now. Great, yes.
Mm.
You like it. Okay.
Ooh.
No. You need assistance?
Oh, just right, man.